Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix lag and improve performance in Clash Royale with a few easy steps. If your gameplay feels slow or choppy, these tips will help get things running smoothly. Now, let's get started. Open the Clash Royale app, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens up the main menu where you can adjust important game settings, then tap on Settings. After that, tap on More Settings to access additional options related to performance. Now, turn off the high frame rate setting. This will reduce the frame rate from 120 to 60 FPS, which helps lower lag and stuttering, especially on older phones. Next, open your phone's settings and go to the General section. Tap on iPhone Storage or your Android's storage menu to manage space. Make sure you have at least 1 GB of free space available. Low storage can slow down the game because it needs room to save and load data. Scroll through your apps and find Clash Royale, then offload the app or clear its cache if you're using Android. Go back to your device's settings and tap on General again. This time, select Software Update. Download and install the latest version of your operating system. Once the update is done, restart your device to apply all the new changes. Now, open the App Store or Google Play Store, type Clash Royale into the search bar. If there's an update available, make sure to install it right away. Game updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. To free up more memory, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and open the App Switcher. Close all apps you aren't using by swiping them away. This ensures more processing power is available for Clash Royale while you play. Avoid playing while your phone is charging. Charging generates heat, and too much heat can cause lag or performance issues. If your phone gets too hot, take a break and let it cool down before you start playing again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more quick and helpful tech guides.